ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯀꯣꯁ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ KW ꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯑꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯦ we collaborated with
Maka Satrapoina Ngasai Awatpa Nodal Officer to Kautuk Sebagi.
Implementing this community-based sustainable forest management for water resource conservation in Manipur. This project is implemented into districts of Manipur, Ukhrul and Kapopi. Project was physically initiated in 2019. So during the course of the year, this spring set management revival of springs. This component was one of the prioritized component of the project. So during the implementation of the project, we felt that there is a need for integration, working together with all the life departments. We formed this interdepartmental roundtable involving various departments. The first roundtable was held, I think, somewhere in June 2024, organized by the Forest Department. Second roundtable was hosted by Environment Department in February 2025. This is the third roundtable. A quick challenge, we are having so many environmental challenges. It may be climate change, it may be soil erosion, it may be loss of biodiversity, desertification. Among these environmental issues, water scarcity is also one big issue in Nepal. I remember one of the saying, our ancestors, our forefathers saw this water flowing through the rivers. Today, our generation, we see water in the bottles. And if we don't act today, our future generations will see water in the captions. Caption do in Ugani Haidana. Masi ekoi water resource ki Union Minister Water Resource Janasakti Sina ekoi Guwahati da spring set management lamgi workshop ma pura bona to kibedo yam relevant that is thought provoking na khalle ko Prithvi ji ke half of this world population is facing some sort of water scarcity. May not be around the year, but at least some part of the year we are facing water scarcity. Masih kari marumino hailagade koina khangi beduni masigi degradation of forest catchment areas singda springs sigi reserves ki canossing mangselapwa. Some have already dried up. Some has got reduced this desert capacity. Adagi ekoi toa but amuk springs sumu kari haina magi kanoto busi ekoi deforestation tauriba land use presence tauriba masumba issue mayam developmental activities masisina kari doge ta more ekoi sabsaban estimate amal like tragasu how many springs are in Manipur ekoi Sigi figure mati like rehna ikhale ekoi just starting ni ekoi ki project cost masagi KW na funding to project sisu mafam ani khatani that is also it does not cover the entire two districts selected village 25 village from Ukhrul 25 village from Kapu imeho aduna sabchaba masin khangdragasu ekoi ki experts na haibeda more than 50%, nearly 53 to 55% of our spring have either dried up or this reserve capacity has been reduced greatly. Issues. I remember while I was studying in Dem College, say in class 11, say we used to climb this Kobru mountain for worshipping the Kobru. But at that time we saw, while climbing this up to the peak, we saw many these springs. There was perennial water. Akoina kaba hai matam sidi it was April May means dry season ki kanon hai. Even then, at the time we saw these springs, crystal clear. Oh, adubu say 2023 ki early past da somewhere in February, March da koi na aina kabru se umtang ani suboy na kaabo phamai. Ado many of the springs have dried out. Natraga magi research ke paste yam handagi ba. Sin maram oidana ngasi koi water scarcity se asob issue mo oire. Ado masih revive tong nana bagi damak tane. Koi na ngasi interdepartmental committee ke same dana round table toroga tauri basi. Ado ga sida koi na not only forest department na sui aro ba. Ado na department me am se punjal laga koi na yes. Water resource department su khare in set over. I know environment department also has taken some survey and mapping. Ado complete amatu hoidriego. Aduna masih koi punjan naraga sigi round table set koi na discuss toroga sigi already momentum there se how to carry forward madugi is kano se ni masih third round table sigi kano se objective